Hello guys, this is May. In this video, I will tell you what printing way are available for aluminum atomizers. Now, these kind of atomizers are very popular on the market, and many customers want to put their brand on it. So next, I will show you what printing way that we can do. The first one is a silkscreen logo, which means ink printing. So the logo color can be adjusted in different colors, like white, like this black, and blue, etc. The second is a laser logo, which means make engraving on the aluminum case. So the logo color only can be the original color of the aluminum. The third one is twist. The third one is shiny logo, which is a twist oxidation printing way. Many customers prefer shiny logo and shiny silver. Many customers prefer shiny gold and shiny silver logo. We also can do emboss, deboss. We also can do 3D printing way. And for printing position, you can see we can print the logo on the spring top, the bottom case, the up case, and in the glass bottle. So if you are interested in our atomizers and want your logo on the atomizer, please contact us. We can make the free samples for you. Thank you.